Hello. So France and European Union have placed tariffs on American digital companies and digital products like apps, softwares, artificial intelligence, and such technologies. They're broad. There have been tax placed on them by European Union, and it is important for European Union digital companies so they can also prosper and grow and compete with American companies in this economy. It is also important for security of European Union and privacy of European Union people, because they have designed it in a manner to promote security and privacy of European citizens. Now, since France and European Union have suggested and acted as such, which I have supported, I have ordered France and co-signed on this move, and they have done it. All right, great. Now, so Trump has started placing tariffs on European Union in retaliation to punish them. And the mood around the world has been as if the rest of the world does not have the capability to retaliate against Trump. They have changed the mood around the world, making the leaders, economists, and others thinking they cannot retaliate against Trump, and there is no such capability. But there is. I want to use France and European Union capabilities, economies, and politics to deliver a devastating mathematical, economic, industrial, sociocultural, manufacturing damage at the United States of America at millions of layers, terminally decimating American industrial supply chains, industrial capabilities, manufacturing, aircraft manufacturing, Boeing, air and space, semiconductor industries, exclusivities, technologies, and economic activities of the United States of America. And it shall be done if France and European Union place 25% to 50% tariffs on American industrial products, American industrial supply chain, full range of American industrial intermediate products, full range of American parts, full range of intermediate products, semiconductors, finished industrial products, manufactured goods, parts, petrochemicals, refined petroleums, gas, natural gas, electronics, and everything else, finished industrial products. It is sufficient to say to place 50% tariffs on full range of intermediate products, industrial supplies, industrial supply chains, and finished industrial products. This will be destroying American economy forever. American economy will never recover. But European Union must also place tariffs on car parts, car tires, rubbers, petrochemical products, semiconductors, high-tech, air and space, softwares, apps, and everything America produces almost. And there remains food products. And we can also take the war of industrial supply chains, high-tech, aerospace, and aviation to the food and cheese and soybean. But this war going to be retaliated against by tariffs European Union shall place on United States of America in the field of industrial supply chains, intermediate products, finished industrial products, aerospace, high-techs, semiconductors, car parts, General Electric, General Motors, and other manufactured and hardware goods. So European Union must place tariff on all of these products. And it is mathematically most complex and most devastating against the United States of America. And it will forever send America to a stone age. And America will never recover from it. And it will be revenge of sanctions on Iran. It will be the revenge of tariffs on China. And it will be the revenge of tariffs on European Union. And America will be defeated in trade wars. And Trump shall be humiliated for decades and centuries. And what else? There was another thing we wanted to speak about. So this is how you defeat USA economy and Trump forever. And America shall never recover from it. Oh, some argue European Union will also be damaged by it, as it has chain effects. For example, European Union must import a part from United States of America, then place it in its own products. And then it will make it more expensive for European producer to produce their equipment if they place tariffs on American products. But the tariffs shall be very, 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 very high on American products. So they will not be able to produce and export to Europe and the rest of the world. And they shall forever be eliminated and be removed from industrial systems of the earth. Then there will be other actors such as Iran, who will be producing all American products in Iran. The European Union can be importing them from Iran at cheaper cost because the labor cost is lower in Iran and Iran can produce them at lower cost. And this will also defeat sanctions on Iran, and it will bring victory to multilateralism and essence of JCPOA. Meaning, we will uphold multilateralism and we will defeat Trumpism and we will make economy of Iran largest economy in the world after China and European Union. And Iran becomes the third industrial and economic superpower of the earth, reducing their reliance on USA economics and USA market. Thus, there will be other actors replacing USA, and it will be Iran, who will be producing all these products, and at the end, it will reduce the cost for European manufacturers when they import it from Iran. And it will also have another effect for European Union. And it is when American producers are defeated and no longer capable of producing these products, the European Union manufacturers, industries, and companies will be capable of producing them themselves in Europe. Meaning Europeans will be producing them in Europe instead of United States of America. So America will be defeated, and European Union and Iran will be producing them instead of USA. So Trump will be defeated, European Union will become a larger and stronger economy and industry, and Iran will also win by becoming the third major economy and industrial superpower on the earth, replacing USA. And European Union also will replace USA. So, Makan Abazari Shahan, Shah, Iran.